take them full setup.
Alright, Canna fam. I've stolen Travis's camera to give you all the behind-the-scenes look what we got going over here. So we got 8 different strains. So we got a whole bunch of jars over here in order. So that's number 3 right there. That's number 3. And number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A whole bunch of empty jars, some empty boxes and everything. We got a nice little setup going back here. Chase has got this little Google form. Everyone's filling out as they go. I'm curious to see these responses at the end.